SMR stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is Nuscale Power stock buying. I'll be breaking all that down. This is a very brief, short 1 minute video. Now, as the only guy on this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, by the way. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I mainly have documented for you. I don't think there's a better freaking pull down than this. I think this is a decent timing. It's just that the only thing that's left is this confirmation play point. In trading, there is 2 games. There is getting inside a trade game, which we're trying to do, and then once you get inside a trade game, there's managing the trade game, the second. Both are crucial. It's just that this also has steps, and for me, this is the 2 out of 3 steps left made. Third one is what I'm waiting for. Not gonna assume stuff, so therefore, I'm not gonna just randomly buy here. It must give me the confirmation. With SMR, I believe I have previous receipts here. Yes, I have 5 results. That's Gucci, and honestly, like, really nothing else that I'll be adding here. Like, everything is kind of been said and done. This whole bullish trajectory and idea is Gucci for me, as long as we're sitting above 33 bucks, right? And it's just getting the timing correct. I mean, it is sometimes you need to be patient, and that's welcome to trading. But if you want daily free stock picks, and stay tuned with SMR for free and get the free sauce, click the first link in the description. It's free.